If you're like me and are constantly fighting over what pie flavor you're getting this year, do yourself a favor and head to a DQ location for one of our pie-themed fall blizzard treats. First, a quintessential fall flavor, pumpkin pie. Add real pumpkin and pie pieces to your world-famous DQ soft serve for some autumn-inspired sweetness. The sprinkle of nutmeg on top of the whipped topping is such a nice touch. Now, onto French silk pie. We start with the same world-famous DQ soft serve. This time, we go with cocoa fudge first. Add some choco chunks to the mix, followed up with none other than pie pieces. Again, we finish this treat with some whipped topping. There you have 2 seasonal pies ready for an orchard stroll.